Hello, people. My name is David, and I'm with Computer Doctor. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing a segment of videos that's going to give you a quick and easy way to optimize your computer. Something that the average person can do at home to make their computer a little faster, run a little faster, and also load a little faster. Now, we're going to be doing the first thing that we're going to be doing is showing you how to stop startup processes or programs that run in the background when your computer starts up. You don't need a bunch of programs running in the background. Most programs will automatically load or start a process, and that slows the average computer down. So in this first video, we're going to be showing you how to stop those unnecessary programs from running, and that will do two things. It will allow your computer to load faster from off to turning it on and getting to your desktop, and it's also going to allow it to run faster when you're going through your processes of going through surfing the internet or opening programs or whatever you need to do. Now these programs that we're going to stop, you can start those whenever you need those during your computing session. So there's no need for concern here. It's not causing any harm or any damage to your computer. You're not going to mess anything up with this process. Now we're going to be doing this in two operating systems. We're going to be doing it in Windows 10, and we're also going to be doing it in Windows 7. We're gonna start out with Windows 10. And for those of you that have Windows 8, you can pay attention here because Windows 10 and Windows 8, the process is essentially the same. So what we're going to do is the first thing that you want to do is on the bottom of any keyboard, you're going to see a Control, Alt, Delete button. So you want to hit those. Hold down Control, the Alt, ALT button, and Delete simultaneously, and you'll get this window to pop up. What you want to go to now is Task Manager. So you click on Task Manager, and then you'll get this Task Manager. There's a bunch of things that you can do in Task Manager, and we'll be talking about a lot of different things that you can do in these little video segments. But right now what we're going to focus on is the startup programs. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the startup tab here. We click that startup tab, and as you can see, everything that you see here is actually running. Every time you start your computer, all of this is running in the background. All of it doesn't need to be running in the background. For the most part, you can make a decision on what you want to run and what you don't want to run. So I'm going to show you how to stop those programs from running in the background. Really simple. I'll start with a couple of things. Let's take iTunes helpers, for instance. I don't want iTunes helpers loading in the background and running every time I start my computer. So all you need to do is go to that program, right-click on it, right-click on the program that you want to stop from running in the background and hit Disable. Now, that doesn't stop the program instantly, and you can do as many of these as you need to. It doesn't stop the program instantly, but it will require you to restart your program for this to actually take effect. But the way that you actually do it is just as we did the iTunes. We can go to another one. We can go to maybe QuickTime. I'll go to QuickTime, right-click on it, Disable. And now the next time my computer starts, those two programs won't be running in the background, and my computer will be running a little faster. Now, that's how that's done in Windows 10. Just remember that you have to restart your computer for this to take effect. So that's how it's done in Windows 10. That's how it's done in Windows 8. Now we're going to move over here real quickly to the Windows 7 machine, and it's essentially the same process once you get to the startup files. But the way that you get there with this one is you want to hit your Start menu, and then you'll see the little search bar down at the bottom. On that search bar, you want to type in M as in Mary, S as in Sam, config, CONFIG. And as you type that, you'll see that program pop up in your little box here. You click that MS config, and give it a second, it'll pop up, and then here is where you will see the startup processes for the Windows 7. You click that, and it's essentially the same. As you can see, I've stopped a lot of processes from running already. Anything without a checkbox in it used to run in startup, but no longer runs. And any of them that you want to stop going forward, you can uncheck it. Next time you start your program, your computer, that'll take effect. Anytime you want to restart those programs, you go back here, check it, restart your computers, and it will begin to start at start every time you start your computer from that point on. So again, this is just a little quick and easy step that you guys can take to start to optimize your computer and make it run a little faster, a little smoother. Keep posted, stay up with us. Check back with us often, because we're going to continue to post these little videos to help you to better your computing and your computer processes. That's all. Again, this is David with Computer Doctor, and we'll see you next time.